Hey guys, it's Jenna G. Super easy and simple dish for you guys. It's all about Mongolian style chicken in today's video. So Mongolian chicken is pretty simple and straightforward to put together. I'm going to be using some chicken breast that I've already cut into chunks, some cornstarch, brown sugar, soy sauce, chunks of onion, garlic, and some grated ginger as well. So the sauce basically is just a combination of the garlic, ginger, onions, some soy sauce, some brown sugar. That's what makes that sauce. We're going to be adding some cornstarch to the chicken. You're going to be popping it into the air fryer because we are not doing the traditional frying method. While that is in the air fryer, we're just going to be making our sauce, and it's simple, easy, simple like that. So once I've got my cornstarch and my chicken, I'm going to be popping this into the air fryer. You can fry it if you like. Notice we aren't using any salt factor because that sauce, because of the soy sauce, it will be salty, so we will adjust the salt level in the sauce accordingly. So into my pan goes some sesame oil, then goes the onions, garlic, ginger, going to be adding some water or stock. In goes the soy sauce and my brown sugar, and also some cornstarch to thicken it up. Once the chicken is done, you're going to add it to the sauce. And you're going to keep this on until the sauce thickens up with that cornstarch. If you do need to add some salt, be sure to add this Chinese seasoning to the dish. So once it's done, this is what it looks like. Easy, simple. Remember, that sauce is basically soy sauce and that brown sugar, cornstarch went in, ginger and garlic. Hope you guys enjoyed this easy video. I tried to keep it as simple, as super easy and quick for you guys to follow along with. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. I'll see you all in my next video.